Team synergy now.
The next one then is behavior. So behavior becomes our second level of transformation. And on this could mean something as simple as you're in the shower and you notice the water starts to get a little cold. So you reach over and you use your behavior to turn the water warmer. You're driving in your car, it begins to drift a little bit out of the lane, you bring it back into the lane. So we use our behaviors often to create instant change with whatever we have that's going on. And we're always looking at what is our behavior. A lot of it is unconscious, a lot of it is conscious, but we can use behavior in the moment to really dramatically affect some change based on the way we respond to the stimulus that's around us. The next level of transformation is our skills and talents. You're hearing a lot of really great stuff about stepping into your genius zone, owning your skills and talents, and really developing your skills and talents rather than trying to fix what's wrong. I believe that to be one of the most important things that you can do. We all have weaknesses. I know I'm still under construction. But rather than really trying to fix what's wrong, when we can really make stronger what we're already good at and step into what we're good at, outsource those things that we find frustrating or problematic, you really step into really owning your power and being of greater influence. Now here's what's interesting, and you'll see this as it goes all the way up. When you make a change on the environmental level, like let's say you paint your office, it very well may make some changes in your behavior. Usually short-lived, sometimes long-time permanent transformation, but for the most part, environment can change behavior. It may also change skills and talents. Perhaps, if you are a golfer and you go to a really great, and you start hanging out at a really great golf club, and you become part of the network there, then you might start changing your skills and talents around golf because you're hanging around a higher caliber individual who has those talents and skills already developed. However, that doesn't necessarily mean it will for sure make a shift. Well, here's what's interesting. If you make a shift in behavior, you change a habit, let's say that you change the way that you were eating, you automatically, without a doubt, will always change the lower level transformation. So if you change your behavior, you have to change your environment. There's no way you cannot. You change your skills and talents, you immediately change your behavior, and you immediately start changing your environment. So you start to see as you move up in the levels of transformation that you start creating ground sweeping, immediate change that you can predict. Very powerful stuff.